Hello, this is WordPress in 60 seconds or less. Using the All-in-One SEO Pro, we want to activate the robots text file and disallow the WP admin. So we're on the feature page for the All-in-One SEO Pro. We're going to click Activate. Over on the left, you'll see that the robots text menu option becomes available. We will click on it, and then we will see creating the robots text file. We're going to add in a star for the user agent. Select block from the rule, and I've already got this on my clipboard. We want to disallow the WP-admin, so we're going to add that rule. Going to click the add rule button, and if we scroll back down, you can see that it's added the rule down here to our robots file. If we wanted to delete that, we could click the little red button there. So this is the All-in-One SEO Pro, setting up the robots text file and disallowing the WP admin page.